Rata.
And we are back here at United Basketball League here at System Plus Computer College, Caloocan City. At kami pa rin po ang inyong mga kasama. My name is Brian Centeno with my partner, Brian Monday. At ito yung ating 10th game for today. It's Lyceum against Perpetual. And of course, still we would like to thank our sponsors. Our official vitamin provider, walang iba, Procel Pharma Incorporated, Cellphone CSR, at Activo Gold. Ganun din yung official basketball Spalding, the Spalding TF, 1000 Legacy, Spalding made for the game, anytime, anywhere. And of course, yung BLF Wood Veneers, making products beyond compare, at ang Family Flores for their continuous support sa United Basketball League. At ayan, we're about to start the game. Again, it is LPU Pirates against Perpetual Altas. At ayan, simula na tayo.
And this is a good match, partner, to NCAA Go Clubs. And tinapik ka agad, partner. Early time kung tawagin.
Kaya pala napito agad yung ating referee doon. Ball possession agad ng LPU, Panerio.
And partner, itong seniors ng LPU, maganda
Still
standing.
by Valencia.
Ngayon
Yes,
sa NCAA.
I see, partner. And it's Conde for 3. Wala. Rebound by 78, and that is Baldoria. To Valencia. Steal by Panerio. And that's an easy shot by Panerio. Tabuan. And Valencia against Panerio. Valencia to Panelo. Back to Valencia to Asuncion. Attempts for 3. Wala. A rebound by Tabuan and a basket by number 71. That's Tabuan. Nice pass to Melchor.
Oh, nice move there.
Yes, partner.
Para kay Melchor, hanging on the air, partner.
Talagang binitbit ni Melchor yung bola doon, ha. And again, it's another chance for Perpetual. Valencia. Valencia. Steal once again by Panerio. And again, same thing.
Nakakailangan
What he
steal
did
na to
before.
si Panerio, partner, kay Valencia.
And again, another steal by LPU. But this time, teka lang daw, sabi ni Panerio. And that's a 3-point shot by Julio.
Hindi na pa nangingin si Julio, partner.
And now, back to Perpetual. Again, turnover. Turno, libreng-libre. Wala.
Medyo
Nahabol.
nintay pa ni Turno yung depensa.
Nahabol pa ni Tabuan doon. And there's a blocking foul. Tawag ng ating referee para kay number 17. And that's Turno.
Number 17, Harvey Turner on his first foul. Shot clock 17 seconds.
17 seconds to shoot, 6 minutes and 35 seconds natitirang oras ito sa ating first quarter. 9-4 in favor of LPU. And it's Asuncion to Valencia. Valencia to number 78. And that's Baldoria.
And nice defense para sa Lyceum,
I
partner.
agree, partner.
They don't allow an easy basket para sa Perpetua.
Walang makapasok, partner eh.
Tama ka doon. Kanina pa, partner.
Puro lang sila nasa labas, ano? That's a very good defense, partner eh. And now it's turno. Libre sa tres eh. Wala. That's close. But still rebound by Panerio for 3.
Dian Panerio.
Iba energy nito ni Panerio. Not just the defense, kundi sa offense, partner.
Yes, partner. At hindi lang pang looban pala ito. Pwede rin sa labas, ha?
Oo.
That's a good thing about Panerio. Valencia, nilabas din. Number 22 for 3. Wala. That's Asuncion. Mintis yung kanyang tira. And
Foul on jersey number 3. Take Valencia out on his first.
At nakikipag-battle rin sa ilalim si Panerio.
Substitution.
tama ka dyan, partner. At ayan nga, bola ulit ng LPU. 12-4 agad ang ating score in favor of LPU. Conde to Panerio to Melchor, who also tries a 3-point shot.
And he gets a
that
3.
shot.
Itong si Dave Melchor, he got the range, partner.
Oo, partner.
And this is a familiar player for me, itong si Dave Melchor.
Block. Asuncion was denied by Sayaman.
Substitution.
At 3 tao na ang nakaka 3 points agad sa LPU, ha.
Shot clock is 10.
It is Panerio, Melchor at si Julio. Nakaka 3 points na sa team LPU. What a turnaround shot, pero mintis yung tira ni Baldoria. Dagom. Nice pass sana, pero nilabas ulit ang bola ni Melchor. Wala. And it's Baldoria for the rebound to Diaz. Diaz drives it in, and there's a blocking foul called by the ref to number 10, Julio, which will put Diaz on the free throw line and will get his bonus shots.
Ito rin si Diaz,
First
partner.
shot by
Pamilyar rin sa akin tong batang to dahil
Yes, partner.
magaling na point guard talaga tong si Diaz. He's not just a point guard, but he can also create shots for himself.
I see, partner. At yan nga, unang tira niya, basket agad. Second one, ganun pa rin.
Substitution.
Substitution, Mulligan in. At Julio, labas muna. Sabi ng ating coach sa LPU. And it's 15-6 in favor of LPU. And it's Mulligan. Drives it in, pero pinasa kay number 16, and it's short ang tira. And again,
Nadulas pa
Mulligan
daw
for
ng
3,
konti
wala.
si Mulligan, partner.
Oo. Melchor for the follow-up. Yes. Basket by Melchor.
Take control.
And
now it's a chance for Perpetual. We have Cruz to Diaz.
Take the shoot.
And it's Cruz now to number 78, Baldoria. At wala, napunta na naman sa LPU ang bola with that layup by number 3, Sayaman. Wala, short. And it's Diaz. Wala. Follow up by number 8. Basket by Cruz.
medyo mabagal doon ng Lyceum. That's why yung Perpetual was able to get that follow-up basket.
Tama ka dyan, partner. At eto nga, balik tayo sa LPU. Sumubok ng 3 si Sayaman. Wala. Cruz drives it in. Basket. And that's a back-to-back points for Cruz, I believe. At meron ang tinawag na timeout ang team LPU at magbabalik po ang United Basketball League.
Kahapon, nagano ka rin? Ilang games ka?
Kompleto.
Kompleto? Ilan yun?
Siya. Sabi ko ako, nung bandang ulo, ano na ako, yung isa na lang din muna. Sabi ko, siyempre parang di kaya lang. Parang ikaw muna kasi, ano pa ako nun, wala pa akong tulog, parang excite ako. Hindi ako nakatulog, alas 4 na yan ako nakatulog umaga.
Kaya pala late ka na kamating din.
Ay hindi, may lakad talaga.
Ay, gano'n.
Sabi ko mga third or fourth game na talaga.
At ayan, United Basketball League is back. 2 minutes and 22 seconds na dito ng oras. Bola ng LPU, Dagum. Is trying to look for a beautiful
action
play.
ball game tong first quarter natin, partner.
That is correct, partner. At ayan, Mulligan for 3. Wala. And now it's Diaz. Pass to Pagulayan, and there's a pushing foul called by the referee to number 16.
Number 16. Christian Peña on his first. 35. Shot clock, 16 seconds.
16 seconds to shoot. Perpetual. Cruz. Jump shot. Basket. Let's go, Cruz. Dagum. Pass to Sayaman. Melchor, 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, nice
shot.
move there by Dave Melchor.
By Melchor. And it's less than a minute now for this first quarter at lamang ng 7 ang Lyceum. Here comes Pagulayan. Nilabas kay Diaz. One-hand shot. Wala. Sayaman for the rebound.
Hindi gumana yung 100 doon ni Diaz, partner.
Oo. Melchor. To Dagum. And attempts a 3-point shot by number 16. Pero wala.
And it will stay, partner, sa LPU. And this is 26 seconds.
14 seconds. Substitution.
Eight seconds to shoot. And it's Sayaman. Steal by Pagulayan. Pagulayan. It was actually denied by Mulligan pero may foul na nakuha kay Mulligan.
22. Peter Mulligan got his first. 45. And 9 shoot 2. For JD Pagulayan.
Pagulayan shooting for 2. First shot, wala. Second try, wala pa rin. 5 seconds. Melchor. Nice pass to Dagum with a jump shot. Buzzer beater shot by Dagum. And that's the end of our first quarter. Score natin 19-12 at lamang dito ang LPU. Or 21. It's counted 21-12 in favor of LPU. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League.
Official score 12 for Perpetual, 21 for LPU.
Akala nila last game na. Akala ko rin eh.
At ayan, United Basketball League is back. At again, muli namin pinapasalamatan ang ating sponsors. Our official vitamin provider, walang iba, Procel Pharma Incorporated, Cellphone CSR at Activo Gold, VLF Wood Veneers, and Flores Family. Ganun din ang official basketball Spalding, the Spalding TF1000 Legacy. Spalding made for the game, anytime, anywhere. 21-12 pa rin ang ating score in favor of Lyceum. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. It's number 7. And that's Pariñas. Kanina wala. Balik kay Pariñas. 10 seconds to shoot. He's looking for a screen here. Nice pass to Villa. Basket.
Oy, nice play there para sa Lyceum. They are taking their time to take the shot.
At yan, balik ang bola sa Perpetual. And it's Daep Pagulayan. Being pressed by number 15. That's Timbol. At ayan, bola nga ng LPU ngayon. Pariñas. Pass to Villa.
Kita mo rito, partner, kung gaano ka-patient ito.
Now, it's now. That is correct, partner. At ayun, muntik na naman. It's Pagulayan. There's a foul called by the referee to number 15, Timbol.
That is first, second foul.
At mukhang may tatlong bonus shot dito si Pagulayan.
Inline shooting three for Jenny Pagulayan.
First shot by Pagulayan, basket. Second shot, no good. Last shot, basket by Pagulayan. At ayan, almost turnover pero out of bounds, kaya or it is. Balik ang bola sa LPU. Timbol, nagharap ng mapapasahan and it's Villa.
And
Napaganda pa yun, oh.
Nice play para sa Lyceum, partner. Ito advantage nila, mas mabilis sila rito against Perpetual.
That is correct, partner.
And of course, their height, medyo malalaki tong Lyceum.
Shot clock 30 seconds.
That is true, partner. At ayan nga, kanila ulit ang bola rito. They are in the lead. 11-point lead by LCU. 4 seconds to shoot. Dahaw, air ball. And Mulligan was able to save the ball pero nakuha ng Perpetual. Fast break to Daep. Nasundot ang bola ni Parinas. At same ball tayo.
Subdivision. Subdivision.
6 minutes and 30 seconds natitirang oras natin dito sa ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang 11 ang LPU. At ayan, another turn for LPU. Dahaw to Lobos. Pero pinasa pa rin kay Timbol. And now it's Conde for 3. Wala. At ayan, nakuha nga ni Goho Cruz ang rebound at siya na rin ang nagbaba. And he drives in but there's a foul.
And partner, as you notice,
Or no, it's
itong
Out of
second
bounds,
quarter
same ball.
natin, nasa kalahati na tayo pero score natin 25-14.
tama, partner.
Talagang depensa pa rin.
To shoot.
Both teams has a good defense, partner. Pagulayan, Mintis. And here comes Goho Cruz. Basket. And a foul.
Basket count.
And now we only have 5 minutes and 34 seconds.
31.
Bonus shot nga para kay Goho Cruz. Bonus shot for Goho Cruz. Basket. At ito, bumalik na ulit si Panerio. Sa loob. Melchor for 3. Wala. Pagulayan for the rebound. And it's Diaz. Back to Pagulayan. To number 8. Goho Cruz. Short.
That is a bad pass, partner.
Yes, partner. That's a bad pass. Pero ayan. Nice pass sana doon kay number 34 Dae. Pero na-denied. However, bola pa rin ng Perpetual. And now it's an 8-point lead by LPU, 25-17 with 3 minutes and 50 seconds time remaining. Daep, wala. Follow up by Tabuan, wala pa rin. Buti na lang, nandun din. Si Goho Cruz at nakakuha pa ng foul kay Melchor.
45.
At again, may bonus shot ulit dito, si Goho Cruz.
For Goho Cruz.
Partner, yan ang problema sa Lyceum. They are using their height. They should backs out. Locate your man. Backs out, partner.
I agree, partner.
Again.
Nice. Shot by Daep.
Nakita mo yung coach sumisigaw
Oo.
ng box out kasi
Tama,
walang
partner.
box out, partner.
Basket count. Foul on jersey number 3. Clint Conde. That is first. Bonus shot for Lebron Dai.
At bonus shot naman ngayon para kay Daep. What a beautiful play there by Perpetual. Daep, wala. And I think it's Another chance for Daep. Line violation para kay Melchor. Another one for Daep.
And that's it. Nakakuha na sila. Kailangan lang bumax out.
Tama, partner. At ito nga. Ito tayo ngayon sa LPU. Poly. Out of bounds. Same ball according to the referee.
Shot clock is good.
Panerio. To Poly. Poly, nilabas muna kay Timbol. To Melchor.
5 to shoot.
Nice pass to Panerio. But he misses that shot.
Shot clock violation.
And that is a shot clock violation dahil hindi tumama sa ring, partner.
Shot clock violation. Kaya mapupunta ngayon ang ball possession sa Perpetual. And this is again another chance for Perpetual na makahabol ng Bagya. Pero apat na lamang yung lamang dito ng LPU. Diaz being chased by Panerio. Diaz against Panerio. And now it's Go Cruz for 3. And there's a foul. Again. And Goho Cruz once again will be sent to the free throw line shooting for 3.
And that is a very bad foul, partner. You won't fouling a 3-point shooter.
That is correct, partner.
Dahil you giving him an opportunity. Lalo ngayon, apat na lang ang lamang dito ng Lyceum. Medyo napako na sila rito.
Tama, partner. At ito nga, tatlo nga ulit ang ititira nitong si Goho Cruz. At una, basket na agad. 2 minutes and 34 seconds na lamang yung ating natitirang oras dito sa ating second quarter. At ayan nga, partner, ang sinasabi mo, second shot, basket pa rin.
And this might turn around yung momentum, partner.
Oo. At ayun, walang iminintis si Goho Cruz sa free throw line. At tumawag nga ng timeout. At magbabalik po tayo. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League. And we're back. Ball possession ng LPU. 2 minutes and 28 seconds na titirang oras. This is right after tatlong sunod-sunod na free throw ni
Nice execution, partner, para sa Lyceum.
That is correct, partner.
Yun ang nawala sa kanila kanina. Kaya nahabol sila.
And now it's a 3-point lead by LPU with 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Panerio against Diaz. Diaz, wala. Pero may foul na nakuha.
Foul on jersey number 34, Josh
Right.
Poly, that is first.
Number 34, that's Poly. At penalty na nga, Diaz. First shot, wala. Second shot by Diaz, basket.
Submission.
Balik si Sayaman sa loob. Panerio being double team. Sayang. Almost a turnover. Pero out of bounds.
Pag ganyang mga pressure defense, you should not bring the ball sa side, partner.
Tama, partner. And it's Melchor to Panerio. And here comes Panerio.
Nice seal there, partner. Para kay Poli.
Poli, partner, yes. And a foul counted by number 25, Diaz. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-screen ni Poli doon. Talagang dire-diretso si
Foul on jersey number 34.
Panerio.
That is part of the play, partner.
Inline shooting 1. Diaz.
Diaz, basket. And he was able to complete that three-point play. And now it's Julio against Go Cruz. Pero nilabas muna kay Panerio. Panerio with that long three-point shot. Wala. A rebound by Go Cruz. At ayun, tumama sa tuhod.
ni Go Cruz.
Here comes Panerio. Nice pass. And a nice fake. Pero mukhang masama yung bagsak doon eh.
And he looks
Ni
fine there.
Tabuan. Pero mukhang okay naman. He did not complain anything. Pero nagpasab muna siya. Ayan.
First rebound. Inline shooting 2.
At yan, Julio shooting for 2. First shot, basket.
Kailangan, partner, pagka dedepensa ka ng ganun, you should timing. Hindi pwedeng talong ka lang ng talon.
Tama, partner. At pag talagang na-champuan ka ng maling bagsak doon, partner, maaaring may mas grabing mangyari. At ayan, less than 40 seconds time remaining. Oh, ganda sana nun, pero na-check agad. A rebound by number 26 and a follow-up. Wala pa rin. And that's Roluna. Sayang yung follow-up na yun. And now it's down to 18 seconds time remaining. 31-28 in favor of LPU. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And it's Palerio for 3. Wala. But there's a follow-up there by number 34, Poli. At nakadagdag pa ng puntos yun para sa team LPU. And that's the end of the second quarter. 33-28 in favor of LPU. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League.
Perpetua. 33 LPU.
Abot kaya yung kape ko niyan?
Pwede.
Abot ng...
Tumagal nga yata ngayon.
Mabot na, di ba?
Makain pa nga si ate.
Start of the third quarter.
At ayan, muli tayo nagbabalik, United Basketball League para sa pagsisimula ng second half between Perpetual at LPU. And again, this is our 10th game for today. 33-28 in favor of LPU. At possession pa nila yung bola ngayon. And it's blocked. And it's Mulligan.
To shoot.
To Sayaman. Nilabas ulit kay Melchor for 3. Wala. And that's out of bounds. Bola ng Perpetual. And now it's Diaz against Turno. Diaz, pinapatay maigi ni Turno. Pass to 78. And that's Baldoria. Wala. Yung tira na yun. Baldoria for the rebound. At ayan, muntik pang out of bounds. Pero sumubok si number 11. And that's Borja. Pero nakakuha siya ng foul. Hindi niya na naibato ang bola sa ring, ano?
Partner, may
That's an
kita
early
mo
foul.
rito yung dalawang adjustment ng Lyceum tsaka ng Perpetual. Yung depensa nila talagang maigpit, ano?
Tama ka
They're
dyan,
not
partner.
giving an easy basket for each other. Kaya ito, score natin, dikit na dikit.
33 rather. 33-28. Ayan. Hindi na nga umangat, ano, partner? Simula ng second quarter.
Pero ito, partner, nakakatakot rito. Itong Lyceum, pagka nakuha nila yung rhythm nila sa score, medyo
Tuloy-tuloy na to,
kakabagin
partner.
itong Lyceum.
And there's a foul called by the referee to number 78, Baldoria.
That is first and five.
Nice box out doon para kay Villa, partner.
I agree, partner. Turno. Pass to Sayaman. Sayaman nilabas muna kay Mulligan, and it's Mulligan looking for a teammate to pass. It's Sayaman for 3. Short. At nakuha nga ni Goho Cruz ang rebound. Jump shot at the free throw line. Basket by Goho Cruz. And it's a steal by Baldoria. And now it's Borja. But it's a traveling violation.
Ito yung sinasabi ko, partner, nakukuha ng Perpetual. Kanya lang, meron pang mga lapses.
Kaya nga, partner,
Which is,
sayang.
kagaya nun, hesitation move. You should be aware of your pivot para hindi ka matraveling.
I totally agree, partner. At eto, balik ulit ang bola sa LPU. And it's Mulligan. Itinira na lang sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Sayaman, pero may foul na nakuha ang ating referee doon.
Number 25, Jamal Diaz. That is first. Second foul.
And that's the first foul of Diaz and a second team foul for Perpetual. Mulligan to Villa. Blocked by Borja. At kanila pa rin ang bola since it got out of bounds. Villa to Mulligan. Mulligan.
To shoot.
And it's a traveling violation.
Isang higop muna ng mainit na kape, partner.
Tama, partner.
And mamaya, partner, pagkatapos nitong game natin, isang matinding laban rin. San Beda versus St. Clair.
Kaya nga, partner.
Sa ating 19 under.
Kaya nagkakape na tayo, partner.
Medyo
Push him out of your
At ayan,
Battle of the Champions.
oras natin, 6 minutes And 10 seconds na lalabing oras dito sa ating third quarter. Lamang pa rin ang tatlo ang LPU.
It's a game between North and South. Kasi North Caloocan tong St. Clair.
I see.
And South, dito sa Maynila tong San Beda.
Go Cruz for 3. Wala. And a foul called by the referee to number 11, Melchor.
35.
Dito na ako nagsasalita sa kape.
Substitution.
At ayan, libre nga. Sa tres, itong si
Oh, bad pass there.
Bernadel, pero wala.
Medyo kawit
And
kasi
here
ng
comes
kulay.
Turno. Jump shot, wala rin. Less than 6 minutes na tayo dito sa ating third quarter. At ganun pa rin yung ating score, 33-30. Turnaround shot by Baldoria, wala. Bora for the rebound, pero may foul na nakuha kay Mulligan.
45.
And that's the second foul of Mulligan. Substitution, labas muna si Mulligan at Sayaman. At balik naman sa loob si Julio. Nice pass to Goho Cruz. Nice shot by Goho Cruz. Talagang niyoyo-yoyo pa yung bola sa ere, no?
And that is a good, beautiful move para kay Goho Cruz, partner.
And here comes Julio. Wala. At may foul nga na nakuha. Pushing foul, number 10, Julio.
Partner, 4 minutes and 20 remaining sa ating third quarter. Isa na lang ang lamang dito ng Lyceum.
Hindi na rin nakaabante sa 33 itong Lyceum.
Medyo
At ayan.
na-contain na rin, partner, ng Perpetual yung mga scores nila.
Oo nga, partner. First shot by Bernaldez. Dahil wala. Second shot. Basket. At ayan, tabla pa yung ating score ngayon with 4 minutes and 10 seconds time remaining. Panerio. Ayan, ilabas muna. Bad pass.
Poor execution para sa ECU. May mismatch doon. When it comes to switch, hindi na binigay.
Bang! That's Diaz for 3. And now our score is 38-33 in favor of Perpetual. Lamang naman na ngayon ang Perpetual. At ayan, magbabalik tayo dahil may timeout na itinawag.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. 38-33, lamang na ngayon ang Perpetual with 3 minutes and 50 seconds time remaining. Panerio against Diaz. Villa. A pass to Timbol. Timbol to Matienzo. Matienzo to Panerio. 10 seconds to shoot. Panerio with a turnaround shot and a layup. And he gets that basket.
They needed that basket, partner, from Panerio.
That is correct, partner. At ito nga, Bernaldez. Goho Cruz, Meseñas na hinay-hinay lang daw muna.
22.
10 seconds to shoot. Wala yung tira ni Bernaldez. And now it's Panerio to Villa to Timbol. Umigot din. Nice fake by Julio. Block naman ang inabot niya kay Borja. At may nakita namang foul doon si Rep.
Nakita mo rito, partner,
Diaz.
talagang idinidiin dito ng Lyceum yung opensa nila.
That is correct, partner. And now the lead is down to 3 by Perpetual. At may 2 shots dito si Villa. Mintis yung kanyang unang tira. At basket naman yung ikalawa. At ayan, bola nga ng Perpetual. 2 minutes and 37 seconds na lamang yung ating natitirang oras dito. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Perpetual.
Nag-apply sila ng pressure defense, partner.
That is correct, partner. At ayan, manage na maibaba ang bola ng Perpetual with Diaz. 10 seconds to shoot. He drives it in. But there's a foul called by the referee to number 16.
Foul jersey number 16. Christian Villa gets third.
And that's Villa. Third personal foul by Villa. And Diaz shooting for 2.
Substitution.
One minute and 54 seconds na lamang yung ating natitirang oras dito sa third quarter at 4 na yung lamang ng Perpetual. Julio for that follow-up and a basket.
Justin Manchester. Substitution.
At ayan, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Perpetual's ball.
Sa last play na yung partner.
Oo. And it's Diaz.
Medyo mababawasan ng scorer dito ang Perpetual.
And a foul called by the referees to number
Foul jersey number 3.
Number 20. And that's the second personal foul by Conde. Roluna shooting for 2. Basket. Yung unang tira. At ganun din yung ikalawa. Bola nga ulit ng LPU. A minute and 23 seconds time remaining. And it's Timbol. Nilabas muna kay Matienzo. Matienzo to Julio. And Julio, wala. Out of bounds. Pero same ball according to the referee. 10 seconds to shoot. A minute and 5 seconds. Julio to Conde. Conde back to Julio for 3. Wala. At Diaz nga for the rebound. Nice pass and shot by
John
Bal- Roluna.
Under Roman.
And we now have 36.8 seconds time remaining.
And effective pressure defense para sa Perpetual.
That is correct,
Forcing
partner.
a backcourt violation para sa Lyceum.
Shot clock 30 seconds.
That is correct, partner. At ayan, less than 40 seconds tayo. To be exact, it's 35 seconds. 44-38 ang ating score. At bola ng Perpetual. Diaz, sumubok ng 3. Bang!
And what a shot there for Diaz. Second 3-point shot niya na yan sa game na to.
47-38 with 15 seconds remaining. Matienzo. Wala, pero may foul.
At partner, medyo lumamang narito ang Perpetual.
Nakalayo-layo na, partner.
Medyo bumaligtad na,
Oo.
partner.
Ito rin yung sinasabi mo kanina, partner.
On this one, that is first.
First shot by Matienzo, basket. Second shot. Wala, pero nakuha niya pa rin yung rebound. And here comes Conde for the follow-up. And a good shot by Conde.
At tatawagan partner ng offensive foul.
Oo. Si
Number 16.
Pagulayan.
That is first.
Nakita yung hawak niya ron, partner eh. Talagang hindi ni-demonstrate ni Rap kung paano eh.
Dahil hinatak.
6.6 seconds, natitirang oras, 47-41 in favor of Perpetual. And here comes Conde.
And look
Denied.
at that block.
At ayan, yan nga nagtapos yung ating third quarter. 47-41 in favor of Perpetual. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League.
For the round of 2, 47 Perpetual. Our next game, the 19 underscore base division. It is Isabela and St. Clair. Back to the ball game.
At ayan, back to the ball game tayo. Simula na ng ating last and final quarter between Perpetual and LPU. At score nga natin 47-41, lamang ng 6 ang Perpetual at kanila pa itong ball possession. And again, we would like to thank our official vitamin provider. And this is our sponsors, yan, ng Procel Pharma Incorporated, Cellphone CSR, and Activo Gold. Ganun din ang official basketball Spalding, the Spalding TF1000 Legacy. Spalding made for the game anytime, anywhere. Ganun din ang VLF Wood Veneers, and also to Flores family for the continuous support sa United Basketball League. And there you have it. At bola naman ngayon ng LPU. And Timbol, quick pass to Conde, wala. But here comes Timbol for the follow-up, pero may foul
Following jersey number 26, John
na nakuha kay Roluna.
First foul.
And partner, bagong set ng players na naman to para sa Lyceum.
That is correct, partner.
Lahat ng talagang napansin ko rito, I've noticed na talagang all of the players been used game na to.
By LPU. Ayan. Second shot by Timbol, basket pa rin. And now it's turn for Perpetual. Roluna. Wala. And now it's LPU's time. And Julio to Dagom. And now it's Melchor. Nilabas ulit kay Dagom for 3. Wala. Tabuan for the rebound. Nice pass to Roluna.
And
basket.
Roluna all alone sa layup na yun, partner.
That is correct, partner. At ngayon, sinigurado niya na talaga napapasok itong kanyang tira. Dagom. Steal by Daep. Now it's Pagulayan. Nilabas mo na kay Diaz. To Baldoria. Wala. Pero may foul again na itinawag yung ating referee doon to number 20. And that is his third personal foul ni Conde. At ito, 2 shots for Baldoria. Mintis yung kanyang unang tira. Second shot, wala pa rin. Score natin 49-43 in favor of Perpetual at we have less than 7 minutes time remaining. Lobos.
And look at the defense here para sa Perpetual, partner. Talagang hinahabol nila yung bola pag nasa ere.
Nice pass!
An animal play, partner. And coming from a pass from Diaz.
That's a nice shot by Roluna. And that brings their team scores up to 51 against 43 ng LPU. And now it's 52. At tumawag na nga ng timeout ang LPU. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball League.
Walang patubig.
At ayan, back to the ball game na tayo. United Basketball League is back on its 4th quarter dito sa ating pang-10 laban ngayong gabi. Perpetual against LPU. 52-43 lamang ang Perpetual ngayon. Nice shot by number 15.
Hindi pa nakakabalik uli rito yung Lyceum, partner.
Oo. Oh, Pagulayan. And there's a foul called by the referee. Dalawa-dalawa pa yung sumasabay kay Pagulayan.
That is 4.
And that's the 4th foul of Poli. Pagulayan shooting for 2. Second shot by Pagulayan, basket. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Turno to Polly. At ayan, naagawan, ipagulayan ng bola. And here comes Goho Cruz. Basket!
And Tim,
At medyo nagkadigdigan nga sila ron.
mukhang nabagsakan yung tuhod doon na partner.
Oo, ni Turno. Medyo, or mukha talaga nasaktan ng bahagya si Turno doon sa pag-aagaw ng bola na yun. At buti na lang, nandyan din yung ating medic partner na handang mag-check agad no, ng mga sitwasyon ng mga players. At mukhang, ayan, chinecheck na nga nila si Torno. And while checking, probably magbabalik na lamang po kami to give you some updates. Ano? At ayan, nailabas nga muna si Torno. At tuloy-tuloy tayo ngayon. Less than 6 minutes na tayo in this fourth quarter. 10-point lead by Perpetual, and we're hoping that is okay. And now it's Timbol.
Medyo pilit na rito yung tira ng Lyceum. Wala na yung ano nila. Hindi na sila composed, partner. Oy, nice play!
At ayun, nagulat na lang. Nagulat na lang doon, ano? Yung
AR caught
sa ilalim.
Relaxing on the defense.
Pero naka-score din agad ng mabilis itong Perpetual. And a foul.
Foul jersey number 16.
Pagulayan. That's a second personal foul of Pagulayan. So was a second team foul of Team Perpetual. 14 seconds to shoot. Short ang tira. Goho Cruz is looking for Pagulayan. And here comes Goho Cruz. Nabitawan ng bola. Sayaman. Basket.
And Sayaman.
Pagulayan. To Goho Cruz. Goho Cruz back to Pagulayan. 10 seconds to shoot. Baldoria. Nakitang humingi ng pasa si Daep sa ilalim, and he gets that point. And oras natin 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Panerio to Sayaman. Sayaman to Melchor. Back to Sayaman. To Conde for 3. Wala. At balik ang bola sa Perpetual, and it's a 10-point lead by Perpetual here, 59-49 with 3 minutes.
Hindi na naka-execute partner ng maganda ang Lyceum because of the top defense ng Perpetual.
Tama, partner. At hindi na rin bumaba sa 10 yung lamang dito ng Perpetual because of that. And here comes Sayaman.
Time to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Sayaman and Lobos for 3. Air ball. At bola ulit ng Perpetual. Go Cruz. Being pressed by Panerio. And there's a reaching foul called by the rep to Panerio.
Number 13. Kian Panerio, that is first. 14 foul.
At inilabas nga muna ulit si Panerio. And now we have 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Time remaining. 14 seconds to shoot with 10-point lead pa rin ang Perpetual. Go Cruz!
And nice execution
Para sa Perpetual partner. That is correct, partner. At ayan, lumolobo na ang kalamangan dito ng Perpetual. 12-point lead. Conde to Sayaman. Attempt to shot at the 3-point line pero wala. And here comes Diaz. Diaz, 10 seconds to shoot. Tabuan, nice pass to Daep. At ayun, namama sa sapatos ang bola, resulting to being out of bounds. At ayan, mukhang last 2 minutes na tayo dito, partner. Last 2 minutes. At ito nga ay brought to us by our sponsors. Walang iba ang Procel Pharma Incorporated, Activo Gold, Vitamins and Minerals, Cellphone CSR, VLF Wood Veneers, making products beyond compare at Spalding, made for the game.
And don't forget yung Flores family, partner.
Yes, partner, yung Flores family din na palagi nakasuporta sa United Basketball League. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ayan. So now we have less than 2 minutes. At ang score natin, 63-49. Here comes LPU. 3-point shot. Wala. Yung tira ni Bantigue. And it's Ruiz. 10 seconds to shoot. Ruiz for 3. Basket!
And this is a surrender lineup na para sa Lyceum. As you can see, second unit ng pinasok nila.
I see, partner. And a traveling violation. And here comes Conde. Doctor for 3, air ball. (63-52) in favor of Perpetual. At ito, less than a minute na tayo dito sa ating last and final quarter. And it's Diaz against number 5, Ruiz. At ayan, naka-steal pa ang LPU. Doctor to Ruiz. Ruiz to Conde. Conde for 3. Basket. 63-55 in favor of Perpetual.
And Perpetual is in control of this game and they will melt this down.
That is correct, partner. At turnover, traveling violation ang tinawag kay Asuncion. And we still have 27.9 seconds time remaining. And 8-point lead by Perpetual, 63-55. Ruiz to Dahao. Dahao to Bantigue. Bantigue, naghahanap na mapapasahan. At mutik pa, ma-steal. At ayun nga, foul naman ang nakuha dito para sa Perpetual. Foul Asuncion.
That's first. 13 foul. Shot clock is off.
And who do you think is the best player? partner, para sa Perpetual?
I think partner, si Goho Cruz, ano?
Possibly, partner.
Oo.
Possibly. Pero malaking bagay rin dito si Diaz, yung kanilang guard.
Pwede din, partner. At ayan, dyan na nga ho nagtapos yung ating 10th game for today between Perpetual and LPU. At nagtapos nga ito sa score na 63-55. At congratulations to Perpetual team. Best player of the game is again brought to us by Procel Pharma Incorporated, Activo Gold, Vitamins and Minerals, Cellbone CSR, VLF Wood Veneers, and Spalding made for the game. At wala nga iba kundi si number 8, Go Cruz, yung ating best player of this game. At magbabalik po tayo para sa ating last and final game for today.